Thule makes products to help you bring the things you care about to enjoy your active life. We make carriers for your kayak, for your bike. We make products to bring your kids to go do the things you want to do.
3D printing has allowed me as a designer to basically get my ideas to life quicker. And I can go to a prototyping engineer, give him a design, and I can have a part with me the next day and test it the next day.
Our Fortis 450 machine has saved us a tremendous amount of development time. We are able to print strong, stiff prototypes with the nylon 12 CF material that would take us 2 weeks to order out of house. Having our Fortis machines in-house doesn't just save us time, it saves us a great deal of money as well. We've calculated that we've almost saved enough to pay for our 2 Fortis machines in the short time that we've had them.
The Carbon 12 CF has enabled us to prototype parts that we can actually do actual driving tests or vibratory tests and get data which we can implement in the next iteration of the design.
This is Thule's new Hullaport XT kayak rack. We used the nylon 12 CF material extensively in the development of this. In particular, we printed many iterations of the clamp that hold the rack to the vehicle in a very short span of time. We had an aggressive schedule for the development of this. This is a part that sees a lot of stress, has to be very high strength. We couldn't really prototype it any effective way other than with the carbon-filled material. Stratasys was a great partner in getting us started with the nylon 12 CF material. We were fortunate to be able to be in the early visibility program for the material. The greater strength, the greater stiffness has allowed us to prototype parts that we're eventually going to make in injection molded glass-filled materials.
This fixture here, it's used on an OE crossbar assembly. This black piece was grown on our FDM machine, the Fortis 450, and it's made of nylon. It's nice that it's grown because as it wears over time, we can replace it by just, taking this top part off instead of having to replace the entire fixture.
The reliability of our Stratasys FDM machines is spectacular. We run them very hard and we never have any trouble with them. I can come in every morning and count on the fact that the parts we need are done and ready to be evaluated and tested. With the growth of the product lines at Thule, I think we're only going to see more need for 3D printing. I think we'll always be partnered with Stratasys and the machines that they can make for us, and I'm really looking forward to what other materials we might see in the future.